Following the 1979-80 season, there was a passing of the torch in Lamar men's basketball, and little did LU fans know at the time, but that torch was being passed from one legend to another. When Pat Foster took the reins from Billy Tubbs, there was no drop-off in the success of the program. Named the 1984 Southland Conference Coach of the Year, Foster won better than 73% of his games during his time with the Cardinals. His team posted 5 20-win seasons, including a school record 26 wins in 1983-84. Under Foster's guidance, the Cardinals won 3 Southland Conference titles and advanced to the postseason every year, which included 2 trips to the NCAA championships and 4 trips to the National Invitational Tournament. The Cardinals posted a .500 record in the NCAA tournament under Foster, recording wins over Alabama and Missouri. The Cardinals also advanced to the second round of the NIT twice during Foster's tenure. Foster's players reaped the benefits of his coaching as well. He produced 15 All-Southland selections, including 7 first-team players, 3 SLC tournament MVPs, 2 SLC Players of the Year, 2 League Newcomers of the Year, and 1 All-American. He also coached 4 of the school's top 10 leading scorers. Foster left Lamar as the school's winningest coach with a .732 winning percentage and is second all-time with 134 wins and only 6 seasons with the team. He also posted a 49-19 mark in Southland Conference games. His 1983-84 and 1980-81 squads still hold the record for the top 2 winningest teams in terms of winning percentage in school history. During his tenure in Beaumont, the Cardinals never recorded less than a .600 winning percentage.